bit of background on Kudan because we're not quite as well known as most of the companies here. We're computer vision specialists. We mostly focus in SLAM. We've been around since 2011, and in 2018 we went public in Tokyo. It's gone well for us because we currently have a market cap of over $1 billion. So what we fundamentally believe is that SLAM is a technology that should be available for everybody. It enables so many different use cases, which is why I'm on this enabling technologies track. And we do that by making it available as a library, and I'll go into some of the details here. And basically the theme here is flexibility. So it runs on all kinds of different processors, from your standard general purpose ones like ARM, Intel, but it can utilize all kinds of accelerators as well. GPUs, DSPs, FPGAs, a lot of the details I'll go into later. We're very, very flexible when it comes to sensors. There's nobody that can support as many different classes of sensors in different configurations as us. So, we can do camera-based SLAM, we can work with LiDARs, IMUs, odometries, all sorts of things can be fused together in various ways. Once again, we're flexible in terms of use case. So we've not overly engineered for one thing in particular. So there's some good SLAM systems by, for example, Microsoft for HoloLens, but it's very much built around AR. We've decided to build our SLAM system such that it's relevant to everything. So AR, VR, all kinds of robotics and drones, indoor navigation, 3D mapping, all that sort of stuff. And we achieved that by making it very configurable such that it can be tuned for its use cases.